Hello everyone, I am Priyadashini, currently pursuing second BA English Literature at Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My topic is Automobile Industries and IoT. What is automobile industry? The automobile industry comprises a wide range of companies and organizations involved in design, development, manufacturing, marketing and selling of motor vehicles. It is also a world largest industry by revenue. It is also the industry with with the highest spending on research and development. The word automotive comes from the Greek autos and Latin motives, referring to the any form of self-powered vehicles. This term has proposed by Emilius Sperry in 1860 to 1930. First came into the use with reference to the automobile in 1898. History of automobile. The automotive industries began in the 1860s with hundreds of manufacturers that pioneered the horseless carriage. For many decades, the United States led the world in total automobile productions. In 1929, before the Great Depression, the world had 32 crores 28 lakh 500 automobiles in use, and the US automobile industry produced over 90% of them. At that time, the US had one car per 4.8%. After 1945, the US produced about 75% of world auto productions. In 1980, the US was overtaken by Japan and then became world leader again in the 1994. In 2006, Japan narrowly passed the US in productions and held rank until 2009 when China took the top spot with 13.8 million units with 19.3 million units manufactured in 2012. China almost doubled the US productions of 10.3 million units while Japan's was the third place in 9.9 million units. From 1970, 140 models over. In 1998, 260 models to 2012, 684 models. The number of automobile models in the US has grown exponentially. Yearly, car manufacturing involved manual assembly by the human workers. The process evolved from engineering working on a stationary car to a conveyor belt system where the car passed through multiple stations of more specialization engineers. Starting in the 1960s, robotic equipment was introduced to the process, and today most cars are produced largely with automated machineries. Now we can see about IoT, Internet of Things. Internet of Things describes physical objects or group of such objects with sensors, processing ability, software and other technologies that connect and exchange data with other devices and system over the internet or other communication network. Internet of the things has been considered a misnomer because devices do not need to become connected to be connected to the public internet. They only need to connected to a network and be individual addressable. The Internet of Things describes physical object group with sensors, processing ability, software and other technological that connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the internet or other communication networks. Internet of Things has been considered as misnomer because devices do not need to connect to the public internet. They only need to connected to a network and be individual addressable. This field has evolved due to the convergence of multiple technologies, including ubiquitous computing, commodity sensors, increasingly powerful embedded systems, and machines are learning. Traditional field of embedded systems, wireless sensors, network control systems, automations, including home and building automations, independently and collectively enable the Internet of Things. The traditional field of embedded system, wireless sensor network, control network system, automation, including independently and collectively enable Internet of Things. In the consumer market, IoT technology is most synonymous with product pertaining to the concept of the smartphone, smart home, including device and applicants such as lighting fixtures, thermostats, home security system, cameras, and other home appliances that supports one or more common ecosystems and can be controlled via device associated with the ecosystem such as smartphone and smart speakers. IoT is also used as health system. The main concept of network of smart device was successfully earned as 1982 with modified Coca-Cola vending machines at Carnegie Mellon University becoming the ARPANET connected appliances, able to report to its inventory and whether newly loaded drinks were cold or not. Mark Weiser's 1991 paper on ubiquitous computing, the computer of the 21st century, as well as academic venue such as Ubicom and Percom, produced the contemporary visions of the IoT in 1994. Reza Strategy described the concept of IEEE spectrum as small bits of data to a large set of nodes as so has to integrate and automate everything from home appliances to entire factories. Between 1993 and 1997, several companies proposed solutions like Microsoft's at Work or Novel Nest. The field gained momentum when Bill Joy advanced device-to-device communications as a part of Six Works framework presented at the World Economic Forum of Davos in 1999. Thank you for listening.